Once upon a time, in a lush, verdant forest, lived a tiny creature called Ichneumon Wasp. This peculiar wasp possessed a unique feature: a long, slender ovipositor, a tool designed for a special task. One sunny day, the wasp found a caterpillar munching on a beautiful, tender leaf. The wasp, with her sharp eyes, observed the caterpillar destroying the very food source that sustained many creatures in the forest. Feeling a sense of responsibility, the Ichneumon wasp decided to teach the caterpillar a lesson. She approached the caterpillar, her ovipositor glistening under the sun's rays. "Dear caterpillar," she said, "what you are doing is not right. You are eating the leaves that provide food for many other creatures in this forest. Can't you find another way to survive?" The caterpillar, unconcerned, continued munching on the leaf. The wasp, determined, decided to lay her eggs within the caterpillar. She knew that her offspring would feed on the caterpillar from inside, teaching it a lesson it could not forget. Days passed, and the caterpillar began to show signs of distress. It felt a strange sensation within itself, a feeling of being invaded. The tiny wasp larvae began to hatch, feeding on the caterpillar from within. In the end, the caterpillar learned its lesson. It realized the importance of sharing and living harmoniously with other creatures. It understood that every action has a consequence, and that it is crucial to consider the effects of our actions on others. And so, the Ichneumon wasp, with her long ovipositor, taught a valuable lesson to the caterpillar. She showed that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference, and that every action, no matter how small, has a far-reaching impact. Moral asterisk: every action we take, no matter how insignificant it may seem, has a consequence. It is our responsibility to consider the effects of our actions on others and strive to live harmoniously with all creatures.